Hi, welcome to Stable Secretary. In this video, I'll show you how to send an email to any or all of your contacts or any of the tagged groups of contacts you might have. To start with, click the little envelope icon in the top navigation. That will pop up this form with instructions. So today, we could choose a tagged group, or we could send to a couple of our clients. So we select them. Then we would type in a subject. Let's say that our ring is getting new footing. And then we can type in a message. Outdoor ring is getting new footing. Hooray! Don't use it until Saturday. How about we say please? And thank you. And if you wanted, you can format however you want. And also, if you want, you can add attachments. So when you're ready and you like your message, you press submit, and that will be emailed to the people that you selected. Please note also that only contacts with email addresses will be in this list for obvious reasons. Thanks.